Hi guys, my name is Double OG and we are on the production of the Major Legacy shoot. I'm the DP creative director on set and we're about to create magic. Come with me.
Hey guys, we're live on the Majeursholdings Legacy Team shoot and some vibes. We're tired, but we're making magic regardless. You can see around tired faces, happy. Watch out.
From the styling perspective, we're going to see the direction from the older generation to the new generation, which translates from Omar Rainbow to Demi, who is the founder of Major's Holding. And yeah, it's been a great shoot. So
Shot two major couches, the Chesterfield and the L shape. And we executed them. We had to find the feel, the outfits to match each of the sets, and actually now, execute. But yeah, all in all, it was really good trip.
Hi, it's Sheyi, the gaffer and light designer on the set of Legacy Production of Majors Holdings. So basically, the inspiration behind the light setup was majorly to capture details with the use of light and shadows.
Team effort. Everybody's had their ideas, and we're just sort of like chiming in and just trying different things, experimenting. We're never short of ideas, are we? It's the execution that I really care about, right?
Hello everybody, my name is Juliet Onbitoya. I'm the makeup artist here on set.
I, Captain Maba, Esther Idowu Phillips. Everybody knows me as Mama Rainbow. I'm the brand ambassador for Majus. We have a photo shooting since morning, and I like it. It's amazing. You see us here. We are shooting, we are eating, we are drinking, we are happy.
Yeah, hi. We are at Mama Rainbow shoot, and we have all the crew on floor. I have David here. David, say hi.
Hi, what's up guys?
I have Annie on ground. Demi team and the whole team were here for our Mama Rainbow shoot for Majors Holding. See ya.
My creative process is pretty much working with the team. We had our mood board, we followed it through, and yeah, it's nice as it. We're done and rounding up. So yeah, on my part, I would say it's a wrap and we have fun. Cheers.
Hi everyone, my name is David Adetola and we're here at the Majors Holding photo shoot session. I actually came here with Annie Roberts, just to pick the mind of a genius, and we've just been creating magic all day. It's been great, it's been amazing. I've seen a lot of nice furniture pieces. I'm excited to see what the outcome of this is.
hi guys, WG again. We are done with the shoot for today. So the inspiration behind the video aspect of the shoot I did was just basically playing with lights and shadows, trying to tell the story of the furniture using lights and shadows.
I don't blue.
Come on.
I don't blow with that. I'm famous. No. Getting in front of the camera is not really something that I'm fearful of. It's not something that I mind. I do it whenever it needs to be done. And today is just one of those days that it just needed to be done. I really wanted to sort of show the intentionality behind our brand ambassador and why it is that we chose her. And I really wanted to kind of just test a little bit the dynamic between the two of us on film, on camera. Yeah, sort of just test it out a little bit in terms of the composition, the sort of the old versus the young, the very different generational positions and how it sort of comes all together in our style of furniture, in our style of sort of craftsmanship. There's a much deeper story that we're trying to tell across the generational composition that we're doing. And today was the first day of sort of testing that. The traditions that someone like Mama would have been privy to, and the traditions that someone like me has been introduced to since I've sort of come to Nigeria. We're sort of playing around with the idea. We're testing things that we haven't done before, we haven't seen done before, not, at least not in our industry specifically. And we're having fun with it. We're playing, we're experimenting. So today was basically one of those experiments, and I think it went really well. I think there were points where we were all